with me this morning. We will definitely come your way with that. Krata Ben and our Chief Justice. Odi akoto eye committee a womo edi na asem no odi akoto womo so senya de a obepene amasa de no akoso de ba de na course 53% of Ghanaians support Chief Justice suspension. Global Info Analytics poll. I feel the post the yard also. We said that. Now they will be Sagara 41. They got your support. Okay. Come on. Ah. Now President Jato Aman who goodwill did obey our for Vegas Ghana for you. And post me on my name. Oh yeah. I say I bought pass a coy be na every percent. We said I'm quite I do a dinner say no. City Stability Bank of Ghana governor assures outlook remains favorable. Governor Siama Seba Ghana for you to see what Musabia City na beto Jano I say a grobia say there be or see the outlook is favorable.
This action percent preliminary evidence right now suggests this action has contributed to dampening inflation momentum. And importantly, the city has appreciated sharply by nearly 19% between April and May, helping to ease imported inflation pressures and restoring public confidence. The appreciation of the city reflects a combination of factors, including prudent monetary policy, the improved market sentiment, as well as the external sector gains that we are witnessing. We are also seeing encouraging signs of macroeconomic progress. For example, Ghana has reached a staff-level agreement with the IMF regarding the fourth review.
Condition of service. University senior staff, I declare indefinite nationwide strike. A sense of almost so many about transiting Komobi. Every animal saying Carbino, every 2 and a mombi. Na and she say, oh, no, me fa woman Tumano, and on the dear being near maybe a one who I was almost Sakano. And my senior staff, they say, a free rare coin in that. And yadia, or mom eso choke, and I say, Mark, and I say, computer mouse.
Signed on the 12th of November 2024. Go home.
The leadership of the Senior Staff Association in Universities of Ghana, SSAUFG, the Technical University Administrators Association of Ghana, TUAG, and the Federation of University Senior Staff Association of Ghana, FUSAG, announce with deep regret but unwavering resolve our decision to embark on an indefinite strike action. Effective today, 21st May 2025. There's no need of re-signing anything, because when we signed, we were told they could not implement it at that time because of the closeness of the election. So when the new government came, we followed up. We were told the president is yet to select his ministers, so we should hold on. We said, fine.
Us until the government pays or honors the agreement signed on the 12th of November 2024. Go home.
The leadership of the Senior Staff Association in Universities of Ghana, SSAUFG.
Mami Guahomano so namene Mr. George Anson, National Chairman, Senior Staff Association. Mr. Anson, me watching. Now, poem to say. Mr. Anson, what they are to jar, Mam catcher Ghana for you. I say, I am we are there, and so. I was some to Sana Mono. Say, Mode Muniaman in a Gua. Indefinite moma date gram on the beba na November 2024 and I'm only buying sign agreement. What that roman are buying for free by a money next year.
Yes, yeah, baby. And yeah, they bit to me. I sorry, I one day say a bank for Fraba. You share, you enjoy letters. You follow up now one day. I sorry, say I was right.
Not just a money this year, and the and Sam no catcher, my movie say AI and Ada.
So, and then maybe, oh, yeah, young Wajuma. Oh, yeah, let the no cry ready. I can't your best time. But let me be quick to say, sir. And no, I don't know. Yes, I can let it be. You go so with him. It's almost solving the problem. But there is a second letter. As I said, and also become home to clarify the first one.
But your crowd nearby, no, a catcher was saying, say, Musicano, Womutia, and answer day.
I said, Fana Eka. But I had 2 stages. And on the bar, there is another letter and on a more clarification to the first one. And she said, no, I change. Say, Sano pay and Sabacan, nothing in Sabacan, dear. Yeah, who said, yeah, if you know, yes, that can even.
And the
first step has come.
Okay. Now I said, yeah, buying and I'm not buying it 2 and rano. Money I saw, say, or yeah, who baby.
Yes, but we pay it. Kaka, see, shame your promises video, but we want to get hold of it.
It's when no second letter, no, not just no, I say, Sikana hit your account and our condition of service, no, near me be no SCP.
The 20 say, Minister of Finance, your letter now. Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, and so, as I saw, also such a letter based on the Abaya
okay.
To the various universities, instructing them to effect the payment.
Okay.
And she said, and no, do Abaya the universities cannot effect the payment.
Okay.
In Tanona,
as a more trying GTech for Krata.
Exactly.
All right. And we hope, sir, a bit me a bananka. Marco, because Mokas almost say it's regrettable, but you can't do anything. Which means more Ramon Penisa.
Baby.
It do maybe our famous sister you.
Oh, Mr.
Mr. Johnson, but I say no painting. You share the Musa and I must say, you best have Fremona, a basso and no more than terms, so no more call your strikes. You may be to me, I entity come.
I know the one I should be a strike, it will be ample, but to the beer. Now, you can see me.
Yeah, that's it, Mr. George Johnson. Okay. Open George Johnson, and I was in Renumre. We exclusive. Almost declare strike, let her be free Ministry of Finance. Now, almost trying GTech, Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. Omokrata, I know they be catch universities not to effect payment. Now GTech krata maya emfa. Hey, the return of the Max, man. Welcome back.
Thank you.
We miss you, man. Now, Branches say malaria could turn to me count to us. As I did to say. Oh, Yabama is back. Yes, yes, he's back.
Security express.
Yeah, he's back. He's back. He's back. City appreciation. Dr. Gideon Boakye say government expenditure is not aligning to what is going on. And now my China dollar no you see drew 11.9. 11.9. I know your interbank rates. Meaning the way but it's the idea. I come here and say Bank of Ghana the na no be ade ye adwuma. 11.9. We dollar $100 ubenya 1,190. Kanina we $100 utiminya 1,600. And no papa be frame me or say Omanhene. Money are buying in Kasana. You see, I am managing Kaba exercise. Any abiding Casada Sicano, Omomani de Bra, Omonomos, the son is shot. And as Papa in Shaw was a Debbie, you could just one near money board thing. It's your Jessica 1,000 says no, they are never to be the ton, 1,001 to be taught. Because near man I was sent Kebuaba from no. I feel glad they pager. It's Omono no Bino. I buy any boss $600 about for my out. Then the ageno. They are sending a returns no way. Because 500 never so. Oh, call Jom and reflecting. It's a dollar no. I was saying to be a man reflecting. I will form. You make out to myself. Because say dollar back back 10. Now be a man yes send me sika minya 16 million. Now you say I minya 10 million. Now me call jaso. Na near man 16 million no etimi tono 10 million in nu ba bia emfa so ba dollar no so tie ne say it be gidi say aban ntu sa na mo no pa o say aban no gidi o doctor dey say aban no expenditure no there's a misalignment. It must be investigated and no one investigating no and people for pa yes I say free tokunu krata or they acco a injunction on the one more day or more pro bono. Now, Kratano dear Neka, where notice of motion. The Attorney General, Justice Gabriel Scott Puamine, Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu, Daniel Yadomlevo, Major Flora Bazwana Rura Dalugo, Professor James Sefa Diza. Assemblea. Please take notice that this honorable court will be moved on the day of 2025 at 9 o'clock in the forenoon, and so soon thereafter, as counsel for and on behalf of the plaintiff applicant may be heard on the application praying for the following orders. Order 1, an order restraining the committee set up by the president to inquire into 3 petitions against the plaintiff, composed of 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th defendant. From proceeding with an inquiry, the execution of the terms of reference of the committee or taking any action in connection with the purported determination of a prima facie case made against the plaintiff until the hearing and final determination of the instant action. An order restraining the 2nd and 3rd defendant respondent from presiding over or participating in the proceeding of the committee appointed by the president to inquire into 3 petitions purportedly presented for the removal of the plaintiff as Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Order 3, an order suspending the operation of the warrant for suspension of the Chief Justice purportedly issued by the President under Article 14610 of the Constitution 1992 until the hearing and final determination of the instant action. Any further order as to the Honorable Court may seem meet. Okay. Now, the lawyer, Godfrey Dame, former Attorney General. Adena Mamika will be suffering for the tour. Mamma say, Justice Gabriel Scott Puamine, our chairperson. I want the picture. Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu, Daniel Domlevo, Ene Yone Kolende, Sa Nipa Mienui, Omanhene, one of the petitioner, Tadiosori, Akobademu, actually. Na mamini fi say sorry now or no edina ko gina court oni omo akotrase edidi min dia ontumi nyi Justice Court for Amandi ontumi nyi Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu eni Domlevo na titiro Justice Gabriel Scott for Amandi Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu no the court should recuse them because oni jide wo mumu. Because Senator sorry no we be no chile no. Mammy say GD pa ya carry. Gidie Yamutu. As Antibamintio.
Legal gymnastics.
Suspended Chief Justice Tokuno is merely backing. And Sansari. Also, Gosiaga.
My minister, one here, the substantive case, Nagas, I said, legal gymnastics. I say, ya,
Timra, Obiso Timra.
And to see how humble somebody say, ya,
I have 4 years.
Yeah, because, you say due process, the Nanka move.
But they have it has a timeline.
And no, there was another petition the Supreme Court said. Ada said, Mampany Mahama was
said it was ruled against. It was 4-1.
4-1. I said, I said 1 and 3. I said, in the end, mother, I said, unanimous in there. Maybe
I said the 4-1, baby.
4-1, 3-2. You know, and also about to go, Yana. I used to so, events or damage so. I didn't have a question. I feel justice is not being a kizo, say, or money, some of the parties, known a bossy he. Or my media can say, Law no, the woman ye be a law no maquayon. Emrana Basha Boneba, or the obey be a family mubia, and Malquaya so be and you know, for now, my media. Me, the obey be a say, I never ya, dear be and Chessy be a neck, you never bounce, Nabia. Substantive, and I say, a moment of a community class, or a month for such a petition against them. And one of Omam hearing officers and personnel. I said one of them refi, one also so Omania another a year Tiana says, when union free. And then you says I the co hearing rulings are Samba.
I ruling Bebansa. So we know what the Akoto say. Tadio sorry, a petitioners no. Chachuchi kata eka ho and one police
lawyers say Chachuchi kata Tadiosore and Oliver Bakavama
and a lawyer for me and
a representative petitioners.
Very good,
including police officer Bia the case be
also call ya mama no true no
the omone lawyers for the petition.
Police is your lawyer.
So police in a lawyer like
so a prosecutor.
State prosecutor.
This ano meba sesiano by emremu and on moral grounds by emremu no Gabriel Scott Puamine Justice Samuel Kwame Alidu now monitor the sorry Ekochele no womafumana.
How is their ruling having an effect on Omanhene Yaw no effective be the ruling so judiciary whatever no mfa say emremu no ho kwan say mene obi nkotena nkodi asem nkoye ya na omunim papa omunim ya na lawyers no because me kai say lawyer bia mene di nkomo na mene di nkomo ko ni mo ka che me say nkomo oni mi di no ohun say ase me wono ye madam fu bi lawyer wodi asemotia na me so madam for no me madam for no so ne ada opposing ti say ohun say woni mi di nkomo pi no ana emwa sa na o ka che me say ati nkomo me ni udi no emremu no
emwa
sa na o ka kire me ba me nim say bia the omodi akono omo say mra kwa so no the conflict of interest there is a little bridge bi be ho say me ni wonya asem na me metamfo na woni koto kese akwa kobosi he die obi nim de besi ho enu die on my on say on moral grounds no
on fairness
no many on be adwen kakra because ametoja say ametoja what can say maybe na this for cry kizu mami jemensan say na ye no krempo ye no kwese wa ko MPP function bi ase ne sa ne ma
one ne auntie Akufu Adoyere Rebecca
akoba bi ni ade minim what the law say about
and no crowd the agent na urafi the meeting between Yule Konendi and Japa and Bakono de say Godfrey Dame
ni nyina kosi say
Ghana forecast any mremu lawyer forecast Godfrey Dame cannot he made a mistake by having a meeting on a invitation Ekwo wi ase se ne asem no ye bogu nti no ankona nim asem no ye bogu ba on say asem no so ne say ya bo ama ye de masem akọ ya bo ama nim or ye justice of law ya bo ama hwe me say no si ni metie nti no obetu aka chon say we recuse ne ho because there is an interest e wa asem nim. 2 ya bo ama egitum so obetra so a kopim so obedi asem ni wie no oni bi ni nkomo da me frɛ no kra honfa but say me so madam for ne bo ama pa nti na me frɛ no no honfa nti no e de obetwe ne ho. We have had cases where justices of the Supreme Court, they have been nominated to sit on a panel a omatwe omo ho afri ho. We no be any man to amanfo omo ko twa mfoni so omo ko nya mfoni ni wa you know. Assembly see ya o and a picture nearby so it has proven say a recent a current and ya be a 2024 be a just like a weekend last weekend now who say Tadio sorry our ye ojina muma sankrofo no oni Joseph Puaman any Justice Samuel Kwame Alidu adibo asiedu akohia wo ye dipa na say sa eden a it is a kotokone house bebo na referee no ote has CEO came o batiate ye ne Real Madrid bebo won almost that be Real Madrid for year yes say referee no or abusia bi kra wo Barcelona o mo mpene
referee wo su press conference me hu bi
o mo ye ni nyina wie ye no e dey catch referee say one yedi so much no diti aye sanso ye so 5-2 ni paroba bu obabu
na we be asan ka referee ko yi no free ball
one dey make sure no o di penalties ni ade bebre wanye
because when you influence
because he was influenced by Real Madrid for attack e we as ye bobo no park so agro ne form it's at a point in time no the petition is gone but as to whether say meeting with anami no obi ekohia baabi ebia na party bi na me ba ase e na nipa no so ye de ehia me ho enti wo petition ti anase committee ti no somebody who has been a friend long standing me di wasem nti ma me nchia no yawo eno so ho ya wo tell me if it was a private meeting to say maba ofie anase baabi me ne wakohia na ya tena sidi komo. It could be say that moment no kra na maba abeye me baby awie me ko and you chamfoni no. How do you conclude say the fact say because Tadio sorry you only calling they've been friends for long standing. Just they've been friends. If it is proven say omo ye na for long standing there did there. How do you conclude say because say omo te case so na me lawyer ntino. Hey and a second lawyer be phone call to
me question to ebasa na e won na de ne pebe kase me free so asem no so ana say
no way there one funny what the court to
and the other ebasa justice free so justice is never transfer na
omo ye involved in the case ni timi check court na dwene
eno no ma check court na
asumesi we no emre bi oni we wo twaka bi a ye fi se so toko so tena asem so
emwa
and court we yesremo na say judiciary
munyi free so
judicial service yesremo se mon se no ma ontwe ne ho mfi asem no so no antwe ne ho a the judicial service
what was say no almost say Justice Scott Puaman and Justice Samuel Kwame Alidu no they should be straight almost they are calling for say you omu free so but domle vonomle aden there almost see em find junction to omo so kopim say be declare a case say omampani suspension now suspending omo no ejiramu ana ejiramu according to article 14610 now omo dey abano afi what you say it is Scott Puaman Justice Scott Puaman Kwame Adibu ni there omo see you omu free so kra because they have been seen with the counsel for the petitioners. So to them, no, they cannot be fair.
So be your wasore bakra.
Yeah.
Say judge na oko transfer so ni asante eboa.
Eh kwa sorry a.
Eno kura no say one no sum wa so down we mu. Sa so down we mu. Ini sia.
Omo ye basre for.
kwasi da bia
na memre da ekwanhwefo
e ground so say nipa no betimi
on the entity ya
gina so e de akase da bi
manya fe
manya fa so masi ni wei twa
nkomodie
so hu nti ye besere say ontwe ne hu mfra asam ye mfa nipa fofo
ana nye ono kwa so no otena case ni so eyeye
na me boy George na wood abaso say that electoral petition na oyi ne hu free mu no she will go home as one of the finest chief justice Ghana has ever had because when him mahama
ani me bu atena so anya de
there be wo ye panyini wo na one wo yi nipa ko transfer me so two wo sa to so bi yaw eno wo to so bi cry asembo for ansa na wo say yi nipa na ba mami tokunu de ko so mu de yem yakaka ne say there was a time he was outside no na yi nipa e ko transfer me so this time round wono nipa onu yi wo mo na fe wono na
bafo boni na eyi
bakota se ayi kwasi ni ye bo aye mfom so se getu tokunu ye mfom so a ene bafo boni so ye mfom so wo cases a wo nyina no ono so na transfer as chair
oh my until na me kan
the case ya ye can say
ombogu ye ono
na
ye chair
this about
that is ono so from
this about me point of view
me feel say enye mfom so eye ono no me discretion say esan say me makwa penny a medama no
be say me tena mu na me tie ni ye na pepe ye no ne asem no won so obi ti say acting chief justice bafo boni e free ada obey acting no case bi ekobia so otena so no etranso so a ye rule in favor of the aban no
in favor of where he belongs to
so bia ni hu
ntia no say no be ka say ono so ndc na de na ba say omeboa wo mo ana yaw
so bia ni hu eye me discretion ensi me ho kwan say me a head of a department and I say me a head of an institution
na bibia si na makotrem
kase e betimi abokro no e betimi agu institution no e betimi agu company no na asam na ba ne e ba
na me jama obi
me si bi jama nkwala no nkwala no ko kan asam no
na anye ya ne ko say ya how do you rectify the
enforce on before say me be mu a me ba rectify no
maybe I say
the harm has been done already beyond repair.
Supreme Court ya omudi asem wi ya omo say e 5 for kwana review kromutimi say
by a lot of cases people don't go for it
akwaya 5 for na ama ogidie bi say bi a
obetimi aboa
bi beka ho a e bi ebetimi adane ba akwaya 4-1
before 1 year yeah enra ye obeda call for review unless you have a superior information
and until na ya bo masama na wo kana make besu say George na Wood say na it was one mahama na o mampeni da mahama na ye akomoko asome yes on that ground so ne ko asore no
say onu de tie mi o we see asante on the basis say your mama ya ma sorry ba me hu na no pa wi anwumreti ma twe me ho no it makes sense
yes
kwesi ani oni agufu adu nkwa sorry oni ni hia oni your mama nkwa sorry
oh my
ayi get to tokonu oni akufu adu
oni your mama nkwa sorry
oni ko methodist akufu adu so ko anglican
your mama so ko ayi
your mama so ko
assemblies of God
e se o ba bia
etimi onim me feel say at this moment cases so no it is going on behalf of the government.
Yes.
Is the government now saying say Oma sanitizes Supreme Court ana? Oma resetting ana? Because now no acting Chief Justice petitioner you call 2013 petition no the case ni nyina dissenting no wanja baako bafuboni jiramu
unanimous.
I'm talking about John Mama Diana. Akufo-Addo they call
yes.
A person like Bafuboni, the acting Chief Justice and before born so be see there. So what do you move here because no more GDA would mu say because jama or towards them. E beto jano 5-4 na buy no. Se cases near sister. Says ni nyina come mama. I don't know there will be a who's ni why buy acting Chief Justice or so near ye ni we cases are ruling in ano a call in favor So now is the Supreme Court or the judiciary now reset?
Okay, judge, we are friend a justice
Yawapel, so commissioner.
Or call retirement. So that election petition near Omode Corner
2020 there no.
On the Kubu says here doing Ketia say, per calculation.
Oh yeah, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah, they are digging and Munya say, no singing on the buy. No Kubu said now, o calculation so yeah, no. Nipana on any Anyas and
also say, also him.
That papa no a man pedi John the money mama they appointed in the court Supreme.
That's right.
Akota inti e yan dem pempi say bia president we ye atu etirim say
ono na yi no nti no obe favor no
e ma ne court Supreme Court nti sa asem ko ho no mo a
obeka bia man
and na gedu tokonu kan say bi o say the law is always the law. Akota emra no ye black and white say ediwa ediu and for on say me when our point me de me call Supreme Court on no say me integrity na say sebi me say me ye nipa na me
pepe ya
emra no once it is black and white obeka say black and white uni bibia
but
say our power and on the busa questions that day
and people felt say nanko or you tilted even towards NDC ono so na ko bie wo so ma e say dun ketia ye exposed
or expose papa no kra wie ade nkra mama focus ne sa asemi na no mumu asem no kra obi ase ne sa asemi ne
but yet yes unanimous 7
yes unanimous 7 so I na nya say
are you getting me
we president when he appoint me president when he appoint me enti change na me ko Papa Rollins when you baby ko on e appoint everyone say Sophia Kufu mu ne won nyina do omo Supreme Court on mu but no mu nyina wo hwe omo sunu omo ban a na they aligned to the MPP kakra but of he say baby I am drone nya we aligned to be there but ye permanent chichiri ye mra no if it is black and white
let's make it black and white
all
right yeah na the home brand and ra Tottenham it looks as if this season is a season of the minus. As omo nyi bi da na ejiji o. Eti PSV imagine to PSG is going. PSG beje. No. Crystal Palace. Enyo omanji bi da.
Eko try Tottenham be win you. Boys
ni bebre na no omo debate pa. Because Hurricane for the first time. Waji League.
Yes. What started from Newcastle in Liverpool.
Newcastle and Liverpool.
Yes. From nowhere.
It is a year of the minus. Tip off from Renier. Ya tip him off. Kocha PSG.